welcome to my channel once again. Today I am going to be making a simple cabbage side dish which is called as Cabbage Thoran. This is made with finely chopped cabbage and grated coconut with some few ingredients. Let me take you through the ingredients. I've taken few curry leaves here, green chilli based on the spice that you guys want, a small pod of garlic. Do not add too much, that will change the taste of the dish. A quarter teaspoon of Urad Dal, half teaspoon of Cumin Seeds, one small onion, and turmeric, salt, coconut oil, some mustard seeds. Now I've taken a small cabbage here which I'm going to finely chop, and the ratio of coconut and cabbage should almost be equal. That would kind of enhance the taste. Now let me take you through the process. So guys, first what I'm going to do is finish with the chopping. So I'm going to just roughly cut the cabbage and put it in the chopper. I would recommend everyone to invest in a small chopper. It makes life so much more easier when it comes to, cutting things to small pieces. So I'm just going to roughly cut this cabbage and put it into this chopper. Don't overcrowd it. That's it that I'm going to add. So now I'm done chopping the cabbage. I'm going to wash this. Just give it a nice rinse and then strain it in a strainer. You can do this a couple of times till you feel the cabbage is washed thoroughly. Or you could hold the filter under running water and wash it. So let the cabbage drain out all its water. So let it sit in the filter for some time. By then we can chop the onion. I'm just going to slit the green chilies. Mix the coconut ingredients. I've taken half cup of coconut. To this I'm adding this small pod of garlic and the half teaspoon of jeera and some turmeric. I'm not going to grind this to a fine paste. I want it coarse. So I'm just going to do an on and off just a couple of times. Guys, I had grinded this. I've added one more cup of coconut because I felt I needed a little bit more coconut in my thoran. So I've mixed 1 cup of coconut with jeera and garlic. Now I'm going to start with the cooking process. So I've taken a pan here. I'm adding some coconut oil, adding the mustard. Once the mustard has done splattering, I'm adding in the Urad Dal. Now I'm adding in the onion, green chilies, and the curry leaves. Now this has to be a quick process because you don't want the Urad Dal to turn brown. You can add a little bit of salt for the onion. You will be adding more later with the cabbage. This is just for the onion. Now once the onion is just sauteed to a light pink, I'm going to add the cabbage. salt for the cabbage. Give it a nice mix. You can see that there is water. Keep it on a high flame till all the water evaporates. Now this dish, you don't want your cabbage to be overcooked. It has to have that crunch. Now the water has all evaporated. I'm going to add in the coconut. Give it a nice mix. Now here you can check for the salt. Yeah, it's fine. Now I'm just going to cover this and cook for just a minute so that the raw taste of the garlic and coconut goes. Just for a minute. Now it's been a minute. You can see that the cabbage is done. And you're ready with your cabbage thoran. Thanks for watching, guys. Do like, share and subscribe. I hope you make this dish. It's a very simple, healthy and easy to make dish. And yes, please invest in a chopper. It makes life so much more easier. Thank you. Bye.